Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just have an intense ab workout that you can do anywhere and you can follow along with. I hope that you enjoy. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to do each exercise for 45 seconds with a 15-second break. Great, one exercise down. So now we have a 15-second break. And then the next exercise will be mountain climbers. I was really able to feel the burn. Good job. Let's keep pushing through. The third exercise we have is just a regular plank. That definitely hurts. Okay, so again, another 15-second break. We're going into a side plank on the right side. Okay, so we're halfway through the routine, guys. Keep pushing through. We're just going to go to the left side and do the exact same thing. Make sure you're going low and coming high to really get the full range of motion. Okay, so now we're going to move on to oblique planks. You can do it on your left or right side, but be sure to lean to the opposite side of the leg that's extended. Wow, did you feel that burn? Because I felt that burn. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the same exercise, but the other side. So if you did your right side, do your left side this time. Woohoo, we are almost done. We only have one more exercise, and that is alternate leg drops. It is not as intense, but it's definitely something that we should finish with. Okay guys, that concludes today's workout. If you find this video helpful, if you were able to follow along, or if you would like to follow along in the future, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you like the content, please be sure to subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite ab workout was. See you next time. Peace.
Information. I say, okay, ladies, now let's get information.